Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to convert videos to any format with UniConverter 13 on Windows. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter 13. If you don't have UniConverter 13, you can download it from the link below. Now go to Video Converter. Click Add Files or just drag files to import the videos that you want to convert. Step 2. Choose an output format. Open the Output Format menu and go to the Video tab. Select your preferred output format. This time we choose MOV with the same resolution. Step 3. Convert the videos. Make sure you open High-Speed Conversion button and choose the file location. Click Convert or Start All to convert all videos. Step 4. You can find converted videos on the Finish tab. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!